another 1 minute video. Today we're going to be talking about how I shorted LC today after earnings, and you can see that today was a gap down day, down 20+% going into the cash market. Pre-market, this thing hit a 1775 low, started to trend sideways, and what I was looking for was a breakdown of that level, and you can see actually that this thing stepped down into the open, and then at the actual open this thing started to sell off very nicely. Now there is a target down here at a lower level that I was looking at of 1489. We didn't reach that level, but we were taking out lower targets, not the lowest target, but we were taking out lower targets. And you can actually see here that it moved up a little bit. We got a bit of a retest of that first opening range right through there, 1774 over 1654, and then later on into the session this thing dropped and it moved well, and the options that I had, again, these were out just a bit. They were $16 puts. I saw a 20% return, and I covered this going into the close. It was a bit of a slow mover. I think that there might still be some room on this, although I'm out of this already. But the way that I was shorting this was I was looking at the fact that it had some news behind it. It was opening up lower today, gapping down. It was below the 200-day simple moving average, the key moving averages I watch, the VWAP, and it shook right out of the gate. And then when it did rally, it rallied and held a very key structural level, which in this case was that pre-market low. Momentum started to roll over. Everything worked out. This was a great trade. Not too bad. Been a little bit more picky with the trades. If you want to learn more about this particular strategy or our long strategies, don't forget to join us for the pilot program, which is going to be ending shortly. If you don't know what the pilot program is, there is going to be a link below in the description box. Have a look at that, see what is being offered through that pilot program. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, Julian at jlewistrading.com.